Our new price target for Nvidia will undoubtedly surprise you. Back then, Nvidia was just a company that made PC gaming chips. You know, it seems like the brain or the central nervous system of an autonomous vehicle is going to be a GPU. Tasha adds as she joins our brainstorming session. You are kidding, I said. Nobody knows that, I said. It became one of the top stocks in many of our portfolios, including our genomics portfolio. As a result of it and additional research on the significance of GPUs for artificial intelligence, RK, in contrast to many other organizations, is a liquidity provider. A large number of asset managers are motivated by momentum. It's actually a component of their scoring system. Purchase, purchase, purchase if the price is rising and the revenue growth is quickening. Now, many portfolio managers make use of such capability. We are the opposite. We will earn if one of our stocks rises 20%, 30%, 50%, 100%, or 200% in a little period of time. Buyers clearly want it, as evidenced by their willingness to pay a significant premium. As you can see, our portfolios are very volatile, so we believe that both of those short-term swings are temporary. At the same time, other stocks in our portfolio are likely experiencing some short-term setbacks. As a result, we are quite opportunistic in that we both provide liquidity when purchasers desire it and purchase it when others do. So, was that a factor in your decision to sell Nvidia at that time? Oh, she sold it, is all the market wants to hear. Yet you were ahead of the curve at Nvidia. I wonder how you feel about that now. Yes, when we launched RK funds in 2014, we purchased Nvidia for about $5. And I recall that Tasha Keeney entered our brainstorming session in 2015 and said, now this is when PCs were falling. They were dropping at a double-digit rate. At that time, Nvidia was just a firm that made PC gaming chips. You know, it seems like the brain or the central nervous system of an autonomous vehicle is going to be a GPU, Tasha adds as she joins our brainstorming session. You are kidding, I said. Nobody knows that, I said. It became one of the top stocks in many of our portfolios, including our genomics portfolio. As a result of it and additional research on the significance of GPUs for artificial intelligence. As a result, Nvidia is the fourth largest returning stock in our flagship portfolio since 2014. Thus, Tesla is at the top, followed by GBTC, Nvidia, a genomic stock, and Nvidia. Thus, we were present. Even while we still possess it in our specialist portfolio, Nvidia's revenue, which is mostly in the hardware sector, is 25 times higher. Although we do possess it in other portfolios, I am aware that the fervor surrounding AI will eventually lead to an excess of inventory. In 1 year, 1 quarter, or 2 years, I have no idea if that will actually happen. However, I am also aware that UiPath is 6 or 7 times more profitable than Twilio, and that is based on this year's revenue. Our most current AI paper can be found on our ARK Fund website. The trailing 12 months are displayed. I am therefore more concerned about the current year's multiple of revenues. As I have stated, they are software initiatives rather than hardware ones, and Tesla is 6 to 7 times that much. Additionally, the software pull-through from AI hardware will be between 8 and 20 times. Therefore, the market will be considerably larger. We are now looking at the next great beneficiaries of artificial intelligence, while Nvidia was, is, and continues to be in the more specialized portfolio at a lesser percentage since we are paying attention to valuation. Hello everybody, greetings from the channel again. We're delving deeply into Nvidia's future today, drawing from Jensen Huang's Computex 2024 speech. Asterisk why Nvidia stock is a long-term bet and why you should consider buying asterisk is the title of this video. This in-depth analysis will examine why I think Nvidia is positioned for significant expansion and why Wall Street may be overlooking the wider picture. We'll dissect Nvidia's strategic software projects, hardware roadmap, and the wider commercial ramifications of their technologies. There's a lot to cover, so fasten your seatbelt. Let's start by discussing Nvidia's hardware roadmap. This roadmap is a strategic vision that spans all the way through 2027. Not merely a list of new product launch dates. In 2024, it starts with the introduction of the Blackwell GPU, which bears the name of the famous mathematician David Blackwell. Performance and power efficiency improvements of this GPU family are expected to be substantial. However, that is only the start. Nvidia will release the Blackwell Ultra in 2025 as a follow-up, with improved architectures and even more computing power. This version is anticipated to expand on the advancements of its predecessor. Supporting the ever-increasing requirements of AI, machine learning, and high-performance computing requires these advancements. There is more to the roadmap than that. The Rubin GPU, named for another influential mathematician, will be released by Nvidia in 2026. The Rubin series will keep pushing the limits of GPU technology, as will its Ultra version, which is scheduled for release in 2027. Every stage in this roadmap represents not only a small improvement but a significant advancement in skills that will enable different industries to accomplish more. With their Spectrum X solution, Nvidia is proactively entering the data center market in addition to individual GPUs. This is a novel approach to the operation of data centers, not only an improvement on current technologies. An Ethernet-based system called Spectrum X is made to smoothly link a large number of GPUs. Nvidia plans to have data centers that can link millions of GPUs by 2026. This feature is essential for handling the enormous data loads needed for big data analytics and sophisticated AI applications. Because Ethernet-based data centers offer higher scalability, reduced latency, and quicker data transfer rates, they have the potential to completely transform cloud computing. Because of this, Spectrum X plays a crucial role in NVIDIA's plan to control the data center industry. NVIDIA's products will become essential as more businesses transition to cloud-based infrastructures and AI-driven procedures. Although NVIDIA's hardware advances are spectacular, its software ecosystem is the company's true secret weapon. Many observers overlook the full scope of NVIDIA's products since they are only concerned with the hardware. In addition to enhancing its hardware, NVIDIA has created a suite of potent software that maximizes its capabilities. This software approach relies heavily on NVIDIA Inference Microservices, or NIMs. These AI models come pre-configured with all the necessary components to function well on a range of hardware setups. By abstracting away the difficulties of modifying software to fit various hardware settings, NIMs make it easier to deploy AI systems. As a result, companies can more easily incorporate AI into their operations without requiring a high level of technical skill. NIMs are made to offer high-performance, scalable AI inference for a variety of uses. Natural language processing, real-time picture recognition, and predictive analytics are among tasks that NIMs can complete quickly and effectively. This feature is especially useful for sectors that depend on quick decisions based on data that is updated in real time. Tell me if you require any further changes.